रस्त्या वयल्यान येतना वेतना सगळ्या लोकांक सुरक्षीत व्हरून राखूंक आनी सांबाळून हो खरीच आमकां उगडास करता की देव आमचे मदें आसा. त्या वेळार ह्या पुरसाचेर आशिर्वाद घालूंक वेतना खरेच भशेन सगळ्यांनी हांगासर वावर केला. तांचेरूय देवाचो आशिर्वाद आमी मागून घेता. खरेच भशेन हो पुलीस आनी सायडीक हें बस स्टॉप शेड केल्लें आसा. जायत्या जाणांक विसव घेवंक ताचेरूय तुजो आशिर्वाद आमी मागता. संजय आमचे वॉर्ड मेंबराक हांगासर आमच्या लोकांक रावपाक पयले सुवातेर हो पुलिसाचो नवो आकार दिला आनी पुलिसाचेर नदर मारून सगळें बरेंपण घेवपाक हांगासर शांत रावपाक ह्या वतांतल्यान हांगासर लोक रावतालो बसीक सुसेगाद रावन हिंगासर बरें चिंतलां. म्हाका दिसता बस स्टॉप चडशे असली खंय पडोंक ना. लागीं पुलीस आनी लागीं आमकां रावप आनी मायकलाक आनी दिलायलाक सरपंचाक सगळ्या आमच्या इगोजेच्या नांवान लोकांच्या नांवान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
That's the place. Secondly, I would like to thank our MLA for helping us to rebuild this cross and the bus stop. I would also like to thank our ward member from here, Sanjana Kurgankar and her husband Sanjay, who has been after Michael and me like to get this work done, and Bona, who has done the finishing touches of this place. Our contractor Hirshad, he is not here, he'll be coming later. आमचो बाब गाबरू गेब्रियल तेणें हो बोर्ड आनी खूब काम केलां. सगळे आमच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ओन्ली रिक्वेस्ट, आय नो हो पुरीस तुमचो, it is your holy place over here, so whenever anybody sits here, whenever you see them making the place dirty, please request them in a nice way that they should not spit over here. Masha, please, because you have to tell them we are not here, you are here every day, so please request them. And if they cannot be told in a nice way, then there are other ways also, but request them, tell them it's a place where we pray. Place आता clean दिल्ली हा तोहीच आसूंक जाय ती. So सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. I thank the press and the media for coming to cover the event.
Everybody, first of all, I would like to thank each and every village member who has participated, who has come here in a beautiful way to celebrate this function. I would like to thank our MLA for constructing, rebuilding this bus stop and plus cross in such a beautiful way. Thank you very much, sir. Secondly, I thank on behalf of all the farmers. He has supported us, all the farmers, with the harvesting machine. So thank you once again, sir. Plus, he has rebuilt our chapel, Aradi Chapel. So I'm so thankful. The thanks word is not enough for you, sir. Thank you so much for all the good jobs done to us.